When you drag, he automatically goes up, boom, you're in there.
You know, because I come from mountain, some trouble in January, with feet, with everything. Still I do, yes. Knees. Yes. Now what we do? Keep your eyes open, please. Position, he knows which his muscles of the neck is not enough strong. So come on, go.
Idea, what you do, okay? Here, okay, you go inside and just pummel, okay? Just get there. I'm up here. If I want to get in, I need to a little bit change, okay? And go here, okay? And using legs as well. Boom, boom, okay? So change the level. Start easy, okay? Don't go high. Just literally just get the movement first. Chest to chest, chest, chest. A little bit push in. Good, okay? Just do that for 3 minutes. But the stance is roughly about here, okay? So everyone will try to get to this stance first. And then once we have stance, we will just engage in a very simple activity. You can grab the wrist, which is the same side wrist, okay? And from here, we'll try to pull the arm and just go behind, okay? So very simple from here, okay? We have our arms here. You grab the wrist, okay? On the same side, not here across, just here, just nice and easy. Straight back, you can see you're still soft here. And from here, you go with the arm slightly to the side, because if you would go here, he just grabbed my leg. So he used that, okay? So you want to make sure, slide to the side, and then with this arm, you go nice and deep up here, okay? Just kind of behind his armpit, okay? So not too low, nice and high, pull, and get behind, okay? What I would like you to do is now, one arm will be, look, right here, under the armpit, you see? This is excellent for pulling, for dragging, moving him around, okay? The other one will be from the bottom, because he's going to have a good position there. So with this one, it's not that great, but it's okay. With this one, I have the grip. Here, he's got the grip. Try pull. That's it. See? Now you can see, now you can start to feel where the legs go when he pulls me. Pull me. I have to step in. So I know when I do this, he steps in. Maybe that's the opportunity to go, okay? So all what I want you to do, one arm, watch this, okay? Goes from inside out, right under the armpit, like a monkey grip, here. Okay, this is very strong grip. We got wrapped up arms, and he can pull very well, okay? So when we're here, I want you to do pull, and pull here, literally just from side to side. Just move, and look what the legs are doing. But stay low, not here. Not pulling here because you just attack. Boom. Okay. So be here, nice and easy. Pull here, pull there, and then let him do that. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Just play it a little bit. Very simple. Again, we can go from this position. All what I want to do here is snap down. So I go down with him. Usually you take your head as well and then swap. So I just want you to try to do this. Go from here. Snap down and try to get on top. And just do this a little bit. Walk around with him once his head is down. I'm sure you got to this position with someone in wrestling. or with any kind of fighting where your head is down. So it's more about now feeling where your shoulder should be, and that's here. See this? Where I put a lot of weight there, I can control. So my shoulder, my kind of bell of my shoulder is right there, right here. And then I usually take his chin, okay? Take his chin and then lock my elbow so he can't escape with his head, okay? So when I'm here, see, here, chin, okay? Or I can connect, that's even stronger. But I would say, just practice this. Look, again, this is very important part. You grab the elbow, not by the elbow, certainly not below the elbow because he just escaped. Right above the elbow. So you've got the elbow right here, literally your little finger finishes, and again you've got the monkey. You use monkey grip all the time in wrestling, okay? Don't worry about the thumb. The thumb is just a little bit obviously fixing, but you're not doing this. You got it here more, okay? And now, once I'm here, I just want you to walk a little bit, easy. But look, pull his arm, get some control, push, see what happens. Okay, he puts back, okay. Can I push him down? I mean, this is so hard for him, so easy for me. I'm using all my weight on him. He's trying to go up or I'm moving him. So just practice this first of all. So first of all, you do this. From here again, from the inside grip, here. Please don't fight anything for now because it's all about learning. So just down and place your shoulder. And again, up. Just do that a few times. Pull and get your shoulder right on top and then here, okay? And from here, look, my body's up. Make sure that he can't grab your, okay? So you actually keep the elbow in, see? He can't, okay? Keep it in. Keep it in, and from here, just feel how it feels. Push, pull. Let him a little bit work, but nice and easy, okay?
This one. This back inside. Yeah. Like we're talking about. Hands over. You feel ready? The hands there. Head. Hands. Stop. Oh. There. Bring him down. So from here, I'll push him down. Leave the arrow. Step. And switch over. Oh, step in. Drop him.
Fuck COVID.
So step like that and a grab, you see? Never like this. It's too long time and this is not my strong position. I up on it and I make it work. Look, you see? I make work and now take it. Go take down. If he has inside, he's supposed to defend. Yeah, okay. I'll defend. I'll get defend. So hands always inside, elbow in, elbow in. So one hand grab you can grab the biceps, wrist, and other hands, neck, that one. Keep working. Keep working. You just work on the hand, 50%. Keep your level down. Look forward, leg forward, and if you want to show or maybe a snap forward, and your partner has everything, you go as well. So 50%. Try to just get engaged, guys. Don't stay away. Just try to get engaged. Yeah, that's it. But 50%. I don't want
Yeah. We're good, Kamil? Enjoying it?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Back in.